She's gonna start recording and then you can cut my bracelet. I am recording. Off first. Oh, here. Jeez, I'm gonna have to get the fuck out of there.
And I have the ability to take pictures.
Should we like be under the light better?
I can see. Try not to hurt you. Ooh.
No, you're good. Pull it. Cut this part too.
I have to go no sound with this one.
I'm gonna cut that little fucking, cause it's all still stuck right there.
Careful, don't cut yourself again.
Yeah, right? It's a lot of fucking gauze, man.
It is a lot of gauze. Oh my god. Okay, that was worse like that. Oh.
Down to the white meat.
Oh. Oh my gosh, baby, are you okay?
Yeah, we just gotta.
Someone here? Motorcycle. Don't move. I'm trying to let it focus. Stop moving. There, got a picture.
I haven't even cleaned it.
Huh?
I haven't even cleaned it.
Should you?
Would you get some alcohol wipes?
Friends, it looks like strawberry jam.
I mean, it does kind of like right under the nail.
Ooh. Love you. All right, baby, mommy loves you.
Love you.
Baby, can you do this?
No.
You can't? Okay.
No, because I don't want to hurt you.
No, you're fine. Just all this old dry blood needs
like
to come off.
it?
Yeah. Not it itself. I just need the dry blood off.
Okay, I got
Because dried blood can carry its own. You push down. You're good. Just try to get it off. And we'll get it as clean as we can.
Oh my god, I'm finally done with these dishes.
Okay, hold on.
It might be about as fucking clean as we can get it. I need, I gotta get.
Oh, that's so gross. Ew, 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 ew. Ew, 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 gross.
No, I might need some tweezers, like the little.
They're in my little thing.
The little hairs
Clean them
and
off
shit
with the
have to
alcohol
come
wipes,
off.
They're in the little medicine corral on top. Because when you let me use them, I set them there. So that I didn't forget them if you needed them.
What do you use them for?
Oh, my chin hairs.
Your what?
My chin hairs.
Ow, that's gross.
She's an asshole. Can't help it. Are you sure? Because, I mean...
I don't think I need the tweezers. I think I got them all.
Oh, you got one that's still hanging. Ew.
I got it. I think I got it, babe.
Yeah, like I said.
Huh?
I think I got it.
There's more. I can see it in the camera. Stop moving so much. I'm trying to have to read. Oh!
You too, Father? You want to make all the good stuff out of it? What out of it?
Yeah, cleaned up pretty well. I don't think I need them. I think I got all the little hairs. So we need the non-stick pad.
That's why I put it on like this, right?
Hmm.
Nice. Is it?
Oh shit.
Can't put that on now.
Yeah, it's still covered.
Yeah. Don't be like sneezing on it and shit, man. That's gross. Oh shit.
What?
Hold on, it's stuck. Pull it apart, please. And then let's scoot that sticky part back to here so it's not like on.
Yeah.
I want this knuckle to be able to bend.
Should have cut the paper in half first.
I thought about it. I did.
Fold it down over top and then around. Yeah, I know.
I can't. No, it's sticky right there. I can't get sticky on there.
1 week of school left.
I know, right?
I have got, what, 3 weeks left?
No, he gets out in 2.
2 weeks left.
Friday the 13th on
Friday the
Papa's
13th,
birthday.
On Papa's birthday.
Yeah. I don't know why it was the 23rd.
Yeah, I'd like to be able to bend that knuckle.
Are you okay? What knuckle? Like
This
that one
one.
too? Ooh.
Please.
I'm just gonna have to not
Look,
wrap
look.
it tightly there. or
You know what?
something.
Well, look, until it starts bleeding, just put some tape on this right now. Unless it like gets sore or starts bleeding.
Take the kids to camp on this summer.
Huh?
No stitches, just antibiotics.
This summer.
And a damn tetanus shot.
I have to be further down on the finger.
What? No, that's perfect. No, I just leave
sorry,
it.
I'm sorry.
Just leave it.
Okay,
Just leave it.
okay.
It's perfect. I'm telling you. Oh yeah.